Welcome back to IQ Buzz, everyone. Seems like every week we're seeing AI and finance getting more and more intertwined.
Oh yeah, it's really accelerating.
And today, well, we're taking a deep dive into the IQ AI ecosystem,
It's a fascinating space.
where artificial intelligence meets crypto.
Yeah.
So if you're curious about how these two powerful forces are coming together and what it all means,
You've come into the right place.
this is the place to be. So let's get started. First up, we have the Open Agents Alliance. Now, this isn't just a casual meetup. This is a strategic alliance with some pretty big names.
It is, absolutely. And with IQ AI as a founding member,
Yeah, big players like Near, Coinbase, ElizaOS, and Frax, they're all in on this.
all come in together.
So what is it all about? What are they trying to build with this alliance?
Well, they're aiming for a future where AI agents are open, not controlled by any single entity, and also user-owned, accessible globally. And a big focus on making sure the people who build these agents are rewarded fairly for their work.
So it's about democratizing AI development, moving away from those kind of closed systems.
Exactly.
Interesting. And how do they plan on making that a reality? What's their approach?
It's all about building what they call a shared user-owned tech stack.
Okay.
You can think of it as the foundation for this ecosystem. So hardware, secure computation, the frameworks for building agents, payment systems, all of that.
Wow, it sounds like a pretty comprehensive plan.
It is, and it really highlights the collaborative nature of this space.
Yeah, makes sense.
It recognizes that to really move things forward in AI x crypto, it requires this kind of unified effort.
Okay, so moving on, let's talk about some big news from the IQ AI team themselves.
Exciting news.
It involves, well, a pretty substantial investment into growing their own ecosystem.
Yes, proposal, IQIP23.
For those who may not be familiar, a decentralized autonomous organization allows token holders to vote on proposals, basically giving them a say in the project's future.
Exactly.
And in this case, they've approved the launch of a $10 million IQ AI fund. And this is specifically aimed at
accelerating the adoption of AI agents on their Agent Tokenization Platform.
or ATP for short. Okay, so $10 million, that's a big commitment to the platform. Where's all that money going?
It will support high-impact AI projects on the ATP. And of course, it also strengthens the role of the IQ token within the whole ecosystem.
Gotcha. So they're backing projects that align with their platform.
That's right. The first 100 tokenized agents on the ATP are a top priority. So they're really trying to build momentum, get more developers on board.
Right, rewarding early adopters.
Right.
And I saw something about acquiring assets from other protocols as well, bringing in complementary technologies, expanding the reach of the platform.
Exactly.
Now, how does all this tie back to the IQ token?
That's a great question. So there are a few key ways the growth of the ATP benefits IQ holders.
Right.
First, all platform fees on the ATP, like those for launching agents or for transactions, are paid using IQ tokens.
Okay, so more activity equals more demand for the token.
Precisely.
Makes sense.
And then the AI agents on the ATP are designed to use IQ as a primary trading pair for liquidity.
So if you want to trade these agent tokens, you'll likely need IQ.
Right.
So increased activity, more trading, more demand.
Yeah.
And you also mentioned governance earlier.
Yes, the IQ token holders actually have the power to govern the ATP so they can vote on upgrades, treasury allocation, really shape the future of the platform.
So holding IQ is about more than just potential price increases.
Oh, yeah. It's about having a real stake in the future of this whole AI agent ecosystem.
Very cool. So what kinds of AI agents are they looking to support with this fund?
Well, they're really interested in AI agent wallets.
Okay.
Imagine a crypto wallet that can assess your risk,
Oh, wow.
rebalance your portfolio automatically,
That would be amazing.
and even execute transactions based on, just simple commands.
So it makes DeFi a lot more user-friendly.
Exactly.
That's something a lot of people would be interested in for sure.
Yeah.
What else are they looking at?
AIs for trading and lending.
Okay.
So things like algorithmic trading bots, lending optimizers, even risk management AIs.
So AI working for you in the financial markets.
That's the idea.
Very powerful.
Yeah.
And what about applications beyond just finance?
They're also excited about AIs for robotics.
Yeah.
This is a very new area.
I see.
But the potential is huge. We could see things like industrial automation, companion robots, autonomous drones, all powered by decentralized AI.
Wow, the applications really are vast.
They are.
Now, I also saw a really interesting category, AI, memes, and DeFi all coming together. That sounds pretty wild.
It is. It's about using the power of memes to create unique economic experiments within the ATP ecosystem. So think random degen AI investing in tokens based on social media hype.
Wow.
AI meme generators, gamified trading bots, even social prediction AIs that try to use meme trends to anticipate the market.
That's very creative.
It is, and it really taps into that meme culture that's so strong in crypto,
Right.
bringing attention to the ATP.
Okay, so the goal of the fund is clear, right? Drive innovation, encourage adoption, and supporting those agents with real potential for growth and utility.
Absolutely.
Now, speaking of real-world applications, let's talk about one agent that's making some serious progress.
Yes. TK, the AI DeFi trader.
So the big news is that DK has officially graduated on the ATP.
It's a big step.
And that means...
It unlocks DK's governance module, so now the community has a bigger say in its development.
Interesting. So they can vote on strategies, integrations, things like that. And with its on-chain trading capabilities, DK is poised to really shake things up on the Fraxel network.
And potentially even further. It's a great example of the power of these tokenized AI agents.
It's great to see these concepts actually being put into action.
It is. And when you consider everything, the Open Agents Alliance, the $10 million fund, DK's graduation, it's clear we're seeing a huge surge in innovation.
Yeah, a really exciting time for the IQ AI ecosystem and AIX crypto in general.
For sure. The potential for user-owned AI agents to transform different sectors is becoming more and more real.
Absolutely. So for our listeners who are intrigued by all this, how can they learn more and maybe even get involved?
Well, first off, definitely join the IQ AI Telegram group and follow them on X, formerly Twitter.
Right.
That's where you'll get all the latest news and updates.
And if you have an idea for your own AI agent,
then check out the IQ AI Agent Tokenization Platform.
It's the perfect place to launch your own tokenized agent into this growing ecosystem.
Exactly.
And to stay updated on all things AI and crypto.
Don't forget to subscribe to IQ Buzz on YouTube.
We'll keep bringing you in-depth analysis and keep you informed.
Absolutely.
So as we wrap up, let's leave you with a thought. As AI becomes more and more integral to our lives, what role will you play in shaping this decentralized landscape? What will your role be in the future of user-owned AI agents?
It's a question worth pondering.
It is.
It really is.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the IQ AI ecosystem.
It was a pleasure.
We'll see you next time on IQ Buzz.